All right, so we got the gray Mustang. Still don't have a name for it yet. All packaged away for winter. All painted, just about complete. Some interior stuff to do yet. And the typical story goes, I was on Marketplace and found something to do it all over again with. So this is an 86 Mustang. I paid $1,500 for. It's a roller, no motor, no transmission. I just now put it on the lift. Let's see what it looks like. Stock K member. Big old patch in the floor right there. Oh no, bunch of oh no, look at all the patches. Okay, keep going. All right. Oh, can you see that? Whole floor pan. Whole floor pan. So we're definitely gonna have our work cut out for us here. Rest of it, maybe some cheap tubular A-arms, some sort of, could be Lakewood or something, I don't know, they're red, but probably cheap ones. Stock gas tank, let's turn it around. It is an 8.8 rear end, it's not a 7.5. What's that say? I don't know. Some matching red. Oh yeah, that's Lakewood. So there probably is some sort of Lakewood kit. One of them 50/50s in the rear. What do we got up front? Do we got like some? Nope, just some stock replacements. Struts. So yes, looks like I have a whole lot of work here. At least we don't have to do the strut towers. Those are rust free. So it's just gonna be floor pans. And we're not gonna be doing patches. We're probably just gonna replace the whole rear pan, whole front pan. Oh. Yeah. This was a 5-speed car, but it's not going to be. We are going to go with that C4 that has a trans brake, reversed manual valve body, and probably just that 302 up there on the shelf. That's the one that came out of this car. So we'll rebuild that one here. And probably stuff it in this. I got a little clip of it outside to walk around and a little bit of the interior. I'll let you look at that now. And then this is gonna be a cheaper, I would like to say, than what we did here on the gray car. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the butt getting this orange Rust-Oleum off here to paint it, but we will do that again. Probably just go white. I don't know. The car is really straight. Just as you can see, it's gonna be floor pans, rear and front. Yeah, probably just aluminum head, 302, C4, and probably sell this thing. We'll see how cheap we can do it. I'm gonna do another video on the gray car of exactly what it cost me from start to finish. Thanks for watching.
Fox body Mustang.